I'm trying not to move too fast.
Hey there, let's travel to the Inner Hebridean Islands, to an island within Loch Lynn, with the Linn of Lorne to its eastern shore, whose name comes from the Gaelic word of Great Garden. The Isle of Lismore, with its population of just under 200, only 8 miles long and a mile wide. Oh, I'm Darren, and I'm going to explore, walk and wild camp. So grab a drink, sit back and let's travel together.
I spent most of my life feeling quite empty. If you could stand back, I used to say that I thought I needed space to find my balance, but I might need a hand. And if you could be that, I might need some help to find my balance. Balance. Ooh. I'm trying to learn to love myself and what's good for my mental health. I read a lot about self-help. I'll never be polished. I see the cycles happening now. I'm responsible for shutting them down. It took a while to figure that out, but it's my job to stop it. There's lots of reasons I'm messed up. I grew up around things that weren't that healthy.
So just got off the ferry in Oban. Now we're in Lismore. Just going to head up to the north of the island and follow it round, all the way around and back to this place and end here. Don't think there's any official circular route or anything, so just take it as and when and go the way we can. Okay, let's go.
I'd been on a trail for a little while. That was the night that she broke down and held my hand. A teenage rush, she said, ain't we all just runaways? We got time, that ain't much. We can't wait till tomorrow. You gotta know that this is real, baby. Why do you wanna fight it? It's the one thing you can't choose. Oh! We got engaged on a Friday night. I swore on the head of our unborn child that I could take care of the three of us. But I got the tendency to slip when the nights get wild. It's in my blood. She says she might just run away somewhere else, someplace good. We can't wait till...
To be fair, it's quite a foreboding feature. Top of a large mound, rocky outcrop. Good command of massive field of view. Obviously up to the top of the fork, the entrance of the fork, all the way around, and such a view. Awesome. So they knew what they were doing.
each other till the morning light. We used to laugh, now we only fight. Baby, are you lonesome now? At night I come home after they go to sleep, like a stumbling ghost I haunt these halls. There's a picture of us on our wedding day. I recognize the girl, but I can't settle in these walls.
No, it wouldn't be Scotland if it wasn't walking through a field.
Just run away. I knew it when I met you. I'm not gonna let you run away. I knew it when I held you. I wasn't letting go. Oh, 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 oh. Just run away. Yeah. Run away. Just run away. Yeah.
Before anybody says I'm not complaining, but this heat is El Scorchio. Not that I'm complaining, but when you come to Scotland, getting sunburn wasn't the top thing I thought I'd be getting. Thought I'd get rain, wind, perhaps snow, and cold, and more rain. What have I got? Absolutely glorious sunshine. Beautiful. Who knows? In about an hour's time, I'll probably cursing my words in the biggest windstorm that's ever been. Let's hope not.
I'm an early riser. Wake up, let the sun go to my head. Hey, just hypnotize ya. Walking like your boots are made of lead. There you go again with your first world problem. When you're living is easy, messing up your mind, the daily grind. Gotta leave it all behind, driving everybody crazy. There you go again with your first world problem. When you're living is easy, messing up your mind, the daily grind.
Desperately seeking shade. Wow. This heat is horrendous. I wouldn't say it's horrendous, that's not the word for it. But definitely immense, intense, really, really hot. Saw another osprey earlier on top of a greenhouse watching some chickens. Got the camera out, about to take a photo when it flew off. I watched it fly off and into a tree. I thought, magic. That's the way it's going to go. Oh, little swallow. I've had second thoughts.
On the river where they used to build the boats, by the harbour wall, the place you love the most. I can see you there alone, but are you?
So that's the walk done. The port's there. We're ready to catch the ferry. However, obviously I'm stopping here tonight, so I'm just going to go and find a nice little area to put my tent up. I might go for a cheeky little jump in the sea because it is absolutely sweltering. We'll see. And here is the famous red phone boxes. They're like a phone box on the island, a good start and an end point. In here is an honesty box. Let's have a look. Only bits and bobs. Brilliant.
could see me now, if you could see me now.
So when I was in that cafe, it's a fully licensed cafe, really nice, the staff really helpful. Got myself a couple of bottles of Sky Black. Got all sorts of local brewed beers and stuff. Really nice. A really good cafe as well. Well, been waiting for that all day. Oh, needed it loads. Really nice. So here we are then. All camp set up. Been for a little dip in the sea. All set up. Got me underpants drying out. My socks drying out. As you see there's my tent. Door open to let the air in. Bit much condensation in the tent last night. I need to make sure I'll keep it open a bit to let all the hot air and the sweat and all that get out, because it's soaking on the inside. Well, not soaking, but it was wet. So I had to wipe it down with a dry cloth and wipe down the outside. Hey ho. So I've just come back from brushing my teeth before I'm getting me when I get my head down and go to sleep. Bit knackered after today, obviously with the sunshine just took it proper out of us. Really good day today, really enjoyed it. I've only been did about 12-30 miles. Been around the north, from the centre to the north part of the island. Didn't really venture down the south end. Got back in, obviously got the tent back up and settled down and sorted myself out into routine. Ready for getting the ferry tomorrow. I think the ferry is something like 7:15 in the morning or something, 7:45. Take about an hour, get back over to Auburn, which will be good. And then that's it. Done. I think I've burnt my head today. Quite sore. I can feel the heat on it. Yeah, so that's it. Have a good night. Catch you later. Morning. Here we are. We're still over in Lismore. Thought I'd show you the beautiful sunrise. It's 5:30 in the morning. I'm going to get me breakfast, pack up the tent and get myself over here, which is the ferry port, and then go back to Auburn. Stunning.
I'm going home.
So that's me all packed up and ready to go to catch the ferry back to Auburn. Just have a look around the area where it was.
Everywhere. It's been the same.
All nice and clear, nothing left.
Like I'm outside.
Apart from the the squashed down grass. You can probably see loads of midges this morning. Quite annoying and biting. So that's me off to the ferry port then. See you later. So here we are, just waiting on my ferry back to Auburn. It's 7:15 in the morning. The water on the Isle of Lismore absolutely calm and flat. the ferry, probably can't see it, it's just over there, it's coming back in, won't be long, get on at about past if it comes in. Been a really good time over in Lismore. Do come over here if you feel it. It's brilliant, nice cafes, really helpful, lovely island, really nice, and lots to explore and do. I mean, there's so much more than I have done. Yeah, really good, enjoyed it.